Ebusiafu Michechu, we are cuckoos, we are back. And this very one, an interviewer or Nanaba Anamwa had with, Ataa Ayi mechanic now with jailing for 23 years. I saw me tell you this convo, this interview. And I say, what will Ghana in what will Ghana in the nationality Ghanaian? I am who brassy. Because, see, this man was asked that, what do you want in return after that wrongfully conviction? And he said, no freedom awenya no nkotin podo ye. No freedom awenya no nkotin oye.
I'm sure mupa because you be an obit me say after 23 years in jail, Obeka say yam fanessa. I mean, it takes a lot of courage and
freedom.
How does it feel to have freedom?
But let me say this thing. Every citizen, our right. Every citizen be our right. And that includes whenever there is wrongful conviction. Now, I want this guy to take up this issue. I want him on a very good lawyer and on sue the state, on sue the country. Because 23 years out of your life, I could the jail. No, so didn't come cry 7 years. So 7 years and one fan cut 23 no.
Me could try remind 7 years near chi. And son ebe jail me. Ebe the assembly 2010. Ne jail me 30 years. And near mom 70, 69. Obiane in the sentence or jail. Omo patches a rural prayer sa sentence na ba. Me say na me see moto mom na omde ko bokro no. Sentence 30 years.
This is serious though. But see, when you read young constitution Article 14 clause 5 no. A person who is unlawfully arrested, restricted, or detained by any other person shall be entitled to compensation from that person. So who is that person here? Who is that person here? A young from compensation na kwa no him. Matters of the law we don't want to talk about it. But also, as citizens, we all have our rights. So if the Constitution is stating that they deserve compensation, I say one compensating. That's a woman despite the museum now why no crown. Woman times 3 cry 1 year she. Woman times 3 cry the 23 years now way year in the life 1 year she. He also made mention of another incident to be that occurred during his arrest. Now I'll say when he was arrested, now the arresting officers they made him walk in front of the car. And I know what look borregos away abedo. Like they made him walk from the place now watching all the way to baby a police station now walokono.
Ade bi omde ye me a like stay na me dwen won. Ye fa me free. The friend is saying in price on ye ma me nanti wo car nanim no mo bo pimpi no mo bo regi e nanti sane popo ne sa ba nkoko ye de me ko nkoko sa cha no mo kwa kochi obi e wo the friend is saying Kumasi Normally me call police station. And you know.
And also, if you read our constitution, the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, when you read Article 15 and you read the clause 1 now, no person shall, whether or not he is arrested, restricted, or detained, be subjected to torture or other cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. That is what our constitution is saying. So, tell me, if it is true, why arresting a suspect? Because at that time, one final call to, so he's a suspect. He's not even a defendant yet, or a suspect. So you arrest a suspect and you make him walk in front of a car, able to him, walk in front of the car, and then you like. Now he also says something that when they got to the police station,
Me rain feed that. Me so to muda. Me nye krofo. Ye di to be gu m'anim, and ye di bansere gu me friend.
Daddy.
Bansere edru. Ye di share mata me kon di to na di try me picture. Ana my busha for mu mo ye mo share se makobo kro. Sa no man so nye media. Mo ba chi moto ki na mkita. Me nkita hwe obi anche me ne hwe.
They brought, weapons being added in what the bogun name na what the bansere what in ya maybe can we try the picture. Ebe. We were not there, but this is what he's saying. And we have witnessed so many incidents that people are saying that the police lied on them. Please, the uniform, no, it shouldn't be taken for granted, though. That uniform, no, it shouldn't be taken for granted. This is to my police people. Obi tumu bolete bi pa na ehwe say hey akoyo police nya. Obi tumu bolete bi pa. And this happens every day. I mean, personally, I've experienced some. And later, when the person got to know who I was, nah, wakwaye kai doche de nka wachichira suam de nka mi yimu ho hwe yeye. Let's stop that. Yenje the madeno. Yenje the madeno. It's a police ni bia na the madeni bia ayawa. And to the good ones out there, keep protecting and keep serving. Now to yawa for nede, I say wunje no fata one. But he is entitled to compensation as the Constitution stated, because he's been unlawfully convicted of a crime. And na me oyame crime kada waka nka mutwa kan. Na say man kodem 23 ewima waka say 4 say years na me wie ebe mutwa kan. About something. But it's sad. It's sad. It's really sad. And he should sue that officers. Still our war for cinema. On sue them officers no sir what torture no. I say he need a good lawyer. Some of these things in China, some of us we want to do law. No? About some so crying. But until we meet again, I say we'll come back after the conviction, no? And then, ebi cries and can quote them 23 now. In be a different assembly put wa to man be a new year. Until let me say that whatever happened, young farmer that your freedom is the most important thing. The governments of Ghana should put things in place to revive you in our community, in our society, for people to know that conviction they know you're wrong. This is just not enough. Releasing you is just not enough. Anyone who regional to all the regions and all publications as part of your compensation. Oh, yo. But, ebia, as I said earlier, no say ya antoa in kebia bibi fu frubi mpono watu maybe mpanke ni say. So let's thank, our maker for everything. but welcome back to life. Welcome back to freedom. Ataa Ayi ne mechanic na asem na na yerka no. Apo, welcome back. Aye, BBA be fine. All right. Until we meet again, I say, cool. Let's go.